If you want to use back tap gestures on POCO M8 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and open Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings. After that, we need to go to Gesture Shortcuts, and then we have the back tap option in here in this place. Now here we can choose to double back tap or triple back tap in order to do something, and you can, for example, use it to toggle the silent mode. You can use it to, for example, launch the camera, or maybe even take a screenshot, and so on and so forth. In my case, I have set up the silent mode for double back tapping, and it seems that the sensor is located over here in this place, so on this camera island. I'm not sure why exactly this is where we need to tap, but if I try to double tap over here in the middle of the back of the phone, as you can see, it doesn't work. But if I tap even gently over here, then it actually works. As you can see, we can easily manage the selected option. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.